Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Time to try another fun new recipe. This one's in the crock pot. I love crock pot recipes. And so this one is called Crock Pot Creamy Garlic Parmesan Steak Bites and Potatoes. Sounds pretty good, so let's get started. My meat and potatoes, which I've already got all of the red potatoes all cut up. Some sirloin steak also is all cut up. So we're gonna get these put into the crock pot. And then let's get that. Let's mix it up just a little tiny bit. And we're gonna mix it up a little bit more once we put the yummy creaminess on it. So let's do this. All right, so we've got some cream cheese is already in here. I need to grab my heavy whipping cream in here. And I just remembered, gotta finish melting my butter, because I'm sure my butter's not melted all the way. I have it ready to be melted, but I don't think it's all the way melted yet. Nope. That's okay. Shouldn't take me too long. That put away. Oh, it sounds like it's gonna explode. We will finish it here. So let's get all this in here. So now we got to get this all whipped up, which is going to be a little tricky because it's cream cheese and it's kind of soft, but it's not all the way soft, but that's okay. We also need to throw in our minced garlic and then our all different types of seasoning, garlic powder, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, onion powder, all the fun stuff. All right, so now we just need to get this all whipped. So we've got it all mixed up. Grab my bowl scraper, and now we are going to get this all out and layer it on top of the potatoes and the meat. Oh yeah, scoopsy. Okay, let me get that spread out. Okay. That it. So now we are just going to cover this, and then we are going to turn it on. We're going to go ahead and do low for about 3 to 4, or high for 3 to 4 hours. So I'll check back with you in a bit. These creamy garlic Parmesan steak and potato yumminess that's been going on in the crock pot for the last couple of hours is almost done. So now we're going to add the last 2 ingredients, which is shredded mozzarella. This is a cup, roundabouts, and then Parmesan. And this will also be about a cup, give or take. It smells absolutely amazing. Come on now, a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna get those in there. And then we are going to cover this back up, and we're gonna let the cheese get all melted up, and then we will be ready to eat us some dinner. Okay, our cheese is all melted in this yummy crock pot meal. Look at the steak, the potatoes, all that yumminess. That looks really good. Yes. So now it's time. Look at that. Look at that. Now it's time to give this thing a shot. See if it's any good. See if it's as good as they claim, because that's the biggest reason we do what we do on here, right? So don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, click on that link tree, see all the, backstage stuff. So we have got our steak and potatoes. I am going to pull out some breadsticks that I had in the oven, because why not? So look at that. Ooh, 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 a little on the hot side. Ooh, but looky there. Doesn't that look yummy? Doesn't that look delish? So let's give this a shot. First, let's try the steak with all that cheesiness. Mmm. That steak is just, it's so tender. Yeah, this is a good recipe. This is most definitely a good recipe, especially it being a crock pot, something super, super easy. So I would definitely recommend this one for sure. So thanks once again for joining me. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did. So I'll look forward to seeing you next time.